Hi guys, last time we met, we practiced some animal names in Spanish, and something that I've learned that is super important is when you are learning a second language or another language, you have to practice. So it's not something where we would say, oh, we already learned those names, let's move on to other things and just forget about those. So we're going to start today with the same animal names, and then we're going to add to our Spanish. So here we go. These are the words from last time. So in English, bird. In Spanish, el pájaro. And you're going to say the Spanish after me. El pájaro. You say it. In English, fish. In Spanish, remember there's more than one, so it's los peces. You say it. Los peces. The next word, rabbit. And in Spanish, el conejo. You say it. El conejo. The next word is something that swims and waddles. I bet you know. Duck. Duck. And you will say duck in Spanish, el patito. El patito. You say it. El patito. El pato is correct too. In English, the word is sheep. And in Spanish, la oveja. You say it. La oveja. In English, pig. In Spanish, el cerdo. El cerdo. You say it. The next word is cat. Maybe you have a cat at your house, or maybe you have el gato en su casa. Maybe you have a cat at your house. You say it, el gato. The next word is dog. So maybe you don't have a cat. Maybe you have el perro en su casa, the dog in your house. You say it, el perro, el perro. The next word, to review, horse. In Spanish, el caballo. You say it, el caballo. Cow. In Spanish, la vaca, the cow. You say it, la vaca. In Spanish? No, in English first, bear. And now in Spanish, el oso. Bear, el oso, the bear. You say it, el oso. And the last word to review from last time is chicken, el pollo. You say it, el pollo. Very good. Okay, so here are some new words for you today. We're going to do people, the names of people. So for girl, the word is la niña, la niña. So you say it, la niña, and you're saying, hey, what is that mark over the N? When you see an N with this mark above it, you say ña, la niña, la niña. All right, you're going to see that again. Are you ready? Because that was girl. Now we're going to do boy, el muchacho. Now, I would argue that you could also have, this is la niña, so for masculine, el niño. So el muchacho is what they chose to do in this kit, but you can also say el niño for boy, el muchacho or el niño, which means for girl, you could also say la muchacha, right? All right, you're going to like this one. Baby, el bebé. And if you look, there's an accent above that E, right? So you give it a little more emphasis. El bebé. And the next one is mother. And one way to say that is la mamá, la madre, la mamá, mother. And the next one is father, el papa, or el padre. So padre, madre, papa, mama, right? So those are some words that you are now able to use. So let's go through it one more time. Are you ready? La niña, or el muchacha, el niño, or el muchacho for boy, el bebé, la mamá, or la madre. And the last one, el papa or el padre. All right, very good. I hope you had fun doing more Spanish with me today or learning more Spanish. I would bet that you are able to use some of these words. Try to use el papa or la mama when you go home today, right? You'll make your parents smile, no doubt, if you see them today with your grown-ups. Have a great day. Hasta luego. I'll see you later.